Christmas sound effects. Hi guys, this is Rowan, aka the Human Voice Box, here bringing you more free Christmas sound effects that you guys can use on your films. This sound effect is gonna be a mountain moose. So if you're doing a sound effect, say where a moose is about to charge with his horns down into a family and pin them up against some rocks and their intestines will all spill out, then you can use this free sound effect for the moose. So I'll play it now. Moose. I'm a moose. Moose. Moo. I probably should have looked up what a moose actually sounds like. Do they make noise? If they did, it would probably sound like that. So you can use that, guys. Cheers.